Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, this is the story of how I overseeded my grass and completely failed. If you're interested, keep on watching, click the subscribe button, and let's get started. So yeah, it all started a couple of months ago when I decided to watch some YouTube videos on how to overseed your grass, and I thought I got it all down and I was ready to go. The reason I did this was because my grass was dead. It had been dead for months already. If you've seen my updated garden tour, you can check it there. It's bad. It looked bad. So I added a little bit of soil to cover some holes that I had thanks to dogs. Then I went ahead and added the seed and stepped on it a little bit so it wouldn't move. And water them a few times every single day. So this is how the grass is looking now. As you can see, there are a lot of weeds and some I had never seen before. I don't know how they got here. They are huge and overgrown. But at least we got the dahlia. Look at that. So pretty. I'm so excited. And this is how the grass should look. Yeah, only spot. That's how it's looking right now. Couple of things to mention. I do want my grass to look a little bit more natural and to use a little bit less water than before. So I'm adding 2 plants to help me with it. One, it's called Hydrocotyl vulgaris, and it spreads and retains a lot of moisture. And the other one is rain lilies, just because I want the pink flowers in spring. So yeah, there goes Luca. Yeah, that's gonna happen maybe in fall when I get to it again. So up until then, don't forget to subscribe right here, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.